Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video in my Python series and I'm excited to start this journey with you all. So if you're someone who wants to start or get into, you know, tech, you're in the right place. Today we are starting this Python series and we are going to cover what Python is, what does it, how does it work, what are the applications we can build using Python, right? So let's get started. So Python is a programming language. It is just a way to give instructions to a computer, right? Think of it like this, right? We speak English to talk to people. Similarly, we use Python to talk to computers to get our work done. What makes Python special is, it's very easy to read. For example, let's say if I write something, right, a one-liner code here which says print hello world, execute it. Even if you have never coded before, right, um, you can understand what this line does. It just prints hello world on the screen. That is the simplicity of Python. So let's talk about who founded Python, right? Python was founded by this gentleman, Mr. Guido van Rossum. He had a strong, sorry, excuse me, funda of, making Python easy to understand. That's the reason it became one of the most powerful languages in the world. And how it actually works is it's very easy. You write a Python code. Python has an interpreter which reads your code line by line. It translates that into instructions your computer understands. The computer executes it. That's it. It's simple, fast, and beginner friendly. And the another beauty of it, it's portable. You can use the same code if you're running on Mac. The same code works on Windows. The same code runs on Linux. And why Python dominates the in the AI space currently is because it's number one for artificial intelligence companies like OpenAI, Google, Meta. They are heavily using it for AI development. With Python, you can build chatbots, recommendation systems, face recognition, AI assistant, predictive models. And when we talk about applications or website, there comes in something called as, you know, um, front end versus back end. So I'll explain it in a very simple or easy way. Front end is something, what you see, right? It's like the feel, the look, like the button, the color, the layout, the animation is design part of an app or the website which uses different tech stack, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Backend is what runs behind the scenes to make sure your application or website is running smoothly. So it handles the backend logic where you have databases, your APIs, your authentication, you have AI models. So in a nutshell, front end is what you see, and back end is the brain behind it, and Python is part of that brain. Coming to Python, I always recommend, always visit the official website, see what is the latest version whenever you download, for your respective systems, Mac, Windows. You can download it from here. You also have the official documentation. You can read about Pythons. You can learn from here as well. That's the, one of the best knowledge articles that is currently available. Now let's talk about what you can build using Python. So with Python, you can build web apps, AI systems, data analysis tools, automation scripts, games, backend systems for larger platforms. So all the biggest platforms in the world like Instagram, Netflix, Spotify, Dropbox, Reddit all uses Python for, their backend system, data processing, AI features. So Python is one of the most smartest skills that you can learn today. So it's beginner friendly but powerful enough to build world-class systems. In this series, I'll take you step by step from basics to building. If this has helped you, subscribe to the channel and let's start building together. See you in the next video.